welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the program can't start because api-ms-win-core-timezone is missing from computer. To fix this issue, just open any of your web browser and type Visual C++ redistributable. At very first, you can able to see the official website from Microsoft, the latest supported Visual C++ download. Just click on the first one. Now here you can able to see there is a two kind of setup files. One is version 86 and another is 64. Now first click on the 86 version. Now just open the downloaded file. For me, it's showing options repair, uninstall and close. And if you are installing Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable file for first time, you can able to see the option install and go with the option install. And if you have already installed the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable file, and give a repair. It will take some time. Just wait until the process to get complete. Now just give close, and this version 86 file not suit for you. Just again download the 64 version and again try to install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable file and make sure which setup file suit for your computer. I hope this video tutorial helpful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.